27 billion parameters. Running on your laptop offline. Qwen's new open model, running locally on your GPU. No API keys, no rate limits. Open weights on Hugging Face. Small enough to run locally if you know the two tricks. First, the model page. Qwen/Qwen3.8-27B on Hugging Face. This is your source of truth. Weights, config, tokenizer, chat template. Bookmark it. Everything else points back here. Check the license, Apache 2.0 with some restrictions. Look at the model card for capabilities and limitations. The Files tab shows all available formats. Safetensors, PyTorch, even gguf for llama.cpp. Always download from official sources to avoid tampered weights. The Community tab has user discussions and examples. Check for known issues before you start. Before you download 50 plus gigabytes, do the math. A 27B model in full precision is around 54 gigs of VRAM. In 8-bit, about 27. In 4-bit, roughly 15. So a single 24 gig card runs it comfortably in 4-bit. That's the first trick, quantize. But quantization isn't free, you trade some accuracy for memory savings. The model card shows which quantization methods work best. Always check the official recommendations before choosing your format. Different quantization approaches have different trade-offs. Some preserve more accuracy on certain tasks while others maximize compression. Test multiple formats if you have the time. Easiest path, Ollama. One binary pulls the quantized weights for you, exposes a local API. Install Ollama, then pull the tag. The command on screen is the whole setup. Ollama handles quantization automatically. It'll choose the best format for your hardware. After installation, it runs as a background service. You can check status with Ollama list. The web interface runs on localhost 3000 by default for easy management. Ollama supports model variants with different quantization levels. Specify if you want a particular format. The pull command shows progress and verification steps during download. Prefer raw control. Use transformers directly. Load the tokenizer and model from the Hugging Face repo. Pass device map auto so it spreads across your GPUs, and set torch type to float 16. The tokenizer's chat template does the prompt formatting for you. Don't handroll it, you'll get worse answers. Make sure you have enough disk space. The model weights are about 50 gigabytes in full precision. Use Hugging Face Hub to download efficiently with resume capability. Always verify checksums after download. The Transformers approach gives you full control over loading parameters and lets you customize the pipeline exactly how you want it. Now the money moment. You paste a prompt, the model streams back tokens locally on your own hardware. Here's what a real exchange looks like running locally. The response comes token by token, no network latency. You can interrupt generation anytime. The model maintains conversation context automatically. Notice how it follows the chat template format. This is crucial for good results. The streaming response lets you see progress and stop when you have enough. Local inference means your data never leaves your machine. Perfect for sensitive information. Watch the throughput. On modern hardware with sufficient VRAM, you'll see good token generation speed. Push context past certain limits and performance drops. The KV cache is what fills your VRAM, not the weights. Rule of thumb. Keep prompts tight, stream the output, and cap max new tokens. Different hardware configurations yield different speeds. CPU-only inference works but is much slower. Always benchmark your specific setup. Monitor temperature and power usage during extended runs. The first few tokens might be slower as the model warms up. This is normal. Longer sequences will show decreasing tokens per second as the cache grows. Second trick, offload. If your card can't hold the whole model, let inference engines split layers between GPU and CPU RAM. You lose speed, but you gain the ability to run larger models on limited hardware. Set the appropriate layer parameter to as many as fit, the rest spill to system memory. This works with multiple tools including llama.cpp and some transformers backends. The key is finding the right balance between GPU and CPU usage for your specific workload. Monitor system memory usage during offloading. You'll need enough RAM to handle the spilled layers. The performance hit depends on your CPU speed and memory bandwidth. Here's where it gets good. Wrap the local model behind an OpenAI compatible endpoint. Many tools provide this out of the box. Now every tool that speaks OpenAI, LangChain, your editor plugin, your agent, points at localhost and just works. Free tokens, forever. The compatibility layer translates requests and responses seamlessly. You can use the same code you'd use with OpenAI's API. Authentication is local, so no API keys needed. Rate limiting is under your control. Some tools like Ollama provide this built-in, while others require additional setup with libraries like llama or custom wrappers. Give it a real job. Point your existing agent at the local endpoint and let it grind code review on a private repo, summarizing a folder of PDFs, batch classifying support tickets. Because there's no per token bill, tasks that would cost significant money against commercial APIs cost nothing but electricity and time. You can run batch jobs overnight, process sensitive data without sending it to third parties, scale up to whatever your hardware can handle without worrying about billing surprises. The model handles multiple concurrent requests reasonably well. Test your specific workload to find the optimal concurrency level. A quick reality check on quality. Quantizing to lower precision is not free. You lose some accuracy on complex reasoning and specialized tasks. Expect good performance on general chat and most coding tasks, with some degradation on particularly challenging benchmarks. For most day-to-day work, you will not feel the gap. The model retains its multilingual capabilities and chat formatting skills. Always test with your specific use cases to determine if the quality meets your needs. The 27B parameter count puts it in a sweet spot, large enough for serious work but small enough to run locally without extreme hardware requirements. Honest gripe. The first cold load is slow. Expect significant load time while model files load into memory. Subsequent loads are faster if the model stays cached. The initial load time depends on your storage speed and system configuration. This is the trade-off for running locally instead of using a cloud API. Plan your workflow accordingly. Maybe keep the model running in the background for frequent use. The memory mapping approach helps but doesn't eliminate the initial load completely. So, which path do you pick? Fastest to running, Ollama. Most control, raw transformers. Best performance on limited hardware, llama.cpp with specific quantization. Each approach has different setup complexity and flexibility trade-offs. Consider your use case. If you just want to try the model quickly, Ollama is perfect. If you need to integrate with existing Python code, Transformers gives you the most control. For maximum performance on specific hardware, llama.cpp might be worth the extra setup. Recipe. Pull the weights. Quantize. Serve locally. Point your tools at it. So, which path do you pick? Fastest to running, Ollama. Most control, raw transformers. Best performance on limited hardware, llama.cpp with gguf. Each has trade-offs. Ollama is easiest but least configurable. Transformers gives you Python control. llama.cpp offers best resource utilization. Choose based on your specific needs and hardware constraints. Consider your use case. Rapid prototyping favors Ollama, production integration needs transformers, and resource-constrained environments benefit from llama.cpp sufficiency optimizations. Recipe. Pull the weights. Quantize. Serve locally. Point your tools at it. You now have a private 27 billion parameter AI assistant running on your own hardware. No bills, no rate limits, complete data privacy. This changes everything about how you work with AI, unlimited experimentation, complete control over your data, and the freedom to build without worrying about costs or external dependencies.